everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare one of the forgotten traditional dish, Sweet Idlis with Palm Jaggery. These are soft fluffy idlis flavored with Palm Jaggery, coconut and cardamom. These idlis taste just delicious dipped in ghee. To prepare this, take 2 cups idli rice, half teaspoon fenugreek seed and half cup urad dal. Wash them well. And soak in water for a minimum of 1 hour. Also take 1/4 cup poha or cooked rice. Wash well and soak in water for 10 minutes. Then grind them all together. Strain all excess soaked liquid and grind to as thick batter as possible, as we are going to add jaggery liquid later. Let them ferment overnight. Next day, take 2 cups powdered palm jaggery. Add them to a saucepan with very little water. Heat and melt the palm jaggery. The jaggery is now dissolved into a thick liquid. Strain to remove any impurities. The idli batter is fermented well. Add required palm jaggery liquid to the fermented idli batter. 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger powder. Mix well. Then add more palm jaggery liquid if required and also 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Combine them all together to a thick idli batter consistency. Take some handful of finely chopped coconut pieces. Add some of the coconut pieces to the idli batter. Combine well. Spread the idli plates with ghee. Add few coconut pieces at bottom. Then add required idli batter into each of the holes. Place the idli plates into the idli steamer. Steam in high flame for 10 minutes. Idlis are now steamed well. Take them out and let them cool completely. Then use a spoon to remove the idlis. These sweet idlis are delicious as well as healthy and makes a perfect sweet treat to your whole family. Do give these sweet idlis a try. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.